This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to this demonstration of Fishbowl 2021. Purpose of this meeting is to give an overview of some of the features as well as outline various industries or businesses that could use this software and have it be a solution. In general, Fishbowl is designed to be an operations software. So you will find features for purchasing and receiving as well as demand planning. You'll find features for manufacturing, both in process manufacturing and direct manufacturing. And then the sales process as far as sales, picking, packing, shipping, and logistics. Ideally, this software can be used for manufacturing and wholesale distribution companies. That includes those that are doing e-commerce. It can also be used for just simple asset management or tracking of goods. Because these core features are in place, we also find that 3PL warehousing companies can use this application. We just have some enhancements for a customer portal as well as some billing reports for that. It's also used for point of sale, as well as for those companies that just are looking to do some simple job costing, or they're more in the services and need to track some of the goods that they have. So no matter the process, it really all comes down to inventory and being able to manage a list of everything that we have. So various features in the software are going to include the ability to track items, track pictures of items, track suppliers, be able to know at any given time total amount of ownership of inventory, both the outbound and inbound status of goods, as well as an accurate count of what we actually have available to use or what's available for sale at any given time. So of the two primary goals with inventory control, one of them is, of course, managing how much capital we're spending and being able to know how much to purchase at any given time. And so this software is going to provide forecasting features and be able to identify trends and be able to identify lead times so that it can set up various min-max levels and prompt us when we're supposed to be getting more inventory or to what levels we need to get more. Another element of this software is, of course, warehousing. So if I were to go to the inventory module, it will show me not only the total amount that we have, but which warehouse inventory is located in and which bin locations. And so this software does manage both multiple locations as far as warehousing, as things like fulfilled by Amazon, or if I have a third-party warehouse, or if I just have multiple warehouses, as well as the bin locations that we can use for picking and other features. Another element of this software is being able to do traceability. So whether I am dealing with more a foods industry and need to be able to track by a lot number or expiration date, or if I'm getting more into the medical device type industry and I am medical device and need to be able to know a serial number or a lot number the same, I have the ability to set those up in Fishbowl so that when I go into inventory, it won't just identify the part and the quantity or whether it's quality control, but it'll actually identify the lot number or the serial number. This will be really important for all those industries that do need to manage and have certain compliance reports. So again, that could be pharmaceutical, chemical manufacturing, firearms, cannabis, anything where I need to be able to see the entire history of a lot or a serial number. The software will provide that. Another portion of this is, once I have part numbers in the system, once we have the ability to do locations, this software also has the capability of doing labeling and being able to barcode. And so this software is often sold in conjunction with an app that we provide that is called Fishbowl Go. And Fishbowl Go can run on an iPad iOS device. It can also run on Android devices. It can also be used on some larger handheld scanners if needed. And purpose again of this is to be able to do a lot of the features that are in the software, such as picking, packing, shipping, receiving, moving of inventory, being able to see basic reports, being able to do sales. So if I do have to go out on the road, I can make a sale. If for whatever reason we have the type of company where there's deliveries and I need to confirm with a signature or confirm with a picture, those are all features and capabilities that are in the software. Now, another element of this application is, again, being able to do manufacturing. So a number of features there. First, there is a bill of material feature. So we have the capability of being able to consume whatever costs. It is a cost center, so labor, overhead, being able to manage both the materials that are being used as well as whatever routing instructions that you may have. So when we get into a manufacturing environment, this software does have the capability of printing various travelers so that you know, again, both what items we're supposed to be picking as well as the steps to doing production, where we can capture time and be able to schedule. So whether I have a more generic work center, or if I do have multiple work centers or machines from which we need to capture and have a schedule for, the software can do that. Primarily, we are focused on being able to do, again, both the purchasing and sales processes. From a purchasing standpoint, this software does generate purchase orders and allows you to email those from the system. It can also auto-generate purchase orders based on, again, min-max levels, based on what we have on back order. It can make recommendations as to what you should be purchasing at any given time. Software does have a receiving module where I can be able to confirm what location things go in, as well as manage any sort of landed costs. From the sales side, Fishbowl is a point of sale software, but it also can plug in to a number of sources for incoming sales. This includes EDI, this includes various shopping carts, this includes various marketplaces such as like an Amazon, where I may want to integrate and pull orders in from an Amazon merchant or from an FBA location. And so there are various plugins and channels, again, whether it's a marketplace like Amazon and eBay, or perhaps a CRM like Salesforce, where we can import orders into the system. This is also a software that we can quote from and be able to send orders out, be able to easily identify which products that we're trying to sell and see what we have on hand when we do so. From the sales order module, it does move into picking. This particular module is also a dashboard and allows us to see if things are on back order. This application does print pick tickets, or it allows us to do picking from a scanner as well. Finally, this does move us into more of the shipping module. This is an application that does integrate with UPS, FedEx, USPS, and DHL. It can print labels. It also gives us the capability to rate shop and be able to do batch printing of labels, whatever's needed from that client side. Want to point out that, again, primarily this is a software for reporting. So it's a MySQL database. It does give us the ability to customize reports. It gives us the ability to have a number of report writers within the system, and to be able to put together various dashboards that are customized for each user as they get on the software. We would invite you to call and schedule a demonstration of Fishbowl so that we can find out if it's a good fit for your company. We appreciate your time. Hope you have a great day.